Good morning, class. How y'all doing today? I hope you are doing well. And this is what we're going to be doing for the next about 9 days. Okay, this will be due a week from tomorrow, so on Wednesday. And you'll have to video it somehow so you can send it to me. All right. So what are you going to build? You're going to build a marble maze. Now you can have your cereal box like this one. Don't tell my daughter I'm cutting up her cereal box. So it's empty now. All right, so empty, and I got another box. It's not as big, but I can use it for parts. All right, let's go over the rules. I sent those out to you, but I'll go over with them right here. So let me take the camera down and switch it around. I'm trying to see where the camera is. All right, I tell you what, you just follow along, and I'll try to read them to you. There we go. I don't know if it shows it right way or backwards, but here we go. Your technology problem is to build a marble maze that fulfills the following criteria. All right. All right, here we go. Materials require several cereal boxes, shoe, cracker, or gift boxes. Any of those will work. It's got to be this thin type of, see how thin that is? You want that type of cardboard, all right? Not the real thick stuff. All right, let's get back to it. All right, you may use glue or tape. If you have hot melt glue, that's great. If you don't, masking tape, clear tape, anything like that, it'll work. Just remember, tape will usually kind of lose its grip after a while, so you got to keep an eye on it, but it'll still work. You may cut holes in the main box to use as the maze, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. The time for your marble travel, we're going to do something different. We're going to see how long it takes you. So you start the marble up high, and we'll see how long you can make a marble go. All right? The marble must change directions 10 times. That means each direction. So here's one. If it drops, that doesn't count. The drop doesn't count as a change. This way we go here. Then if it dropped again, then you go here. That'd be 3. Okay, because you change directions 3 times. Direction change is 9 degrees. 9 degrees is like right here. Boom, 9 degrees. All right? All right. The marble must travel through 2 or more different events, such as funnels. So a funnel would be, something like a funnel. And the way you do that is, well, we'll get to it. Remind me and I'll tell you. Slides, pinwheels, in and out of boxes. In and out of boxes means it comes in one side and comes out the other. All right, so that's in and out. That's pretty easy to do. What else do we got? Yeah, those are the main 2 ones that people do is funnels and in and outs. Pinwheels, I've been seeing more of those here lately. You will use no excess tape. You'll follow good construction practices. Means you just can't waste a lot of material. Balance the box so it will not fall over. What I have students usually do is take off the tops here and they glue them down or tape them down here. That way it gives your box some stability so it won't just fall over when it starts or whatever. All right, so it kind of shores it up. What else? All right, we got that one. You must complete the box within, we're going to extend it because I've got something extra. You may add electronics. I had one year, some students want to put Christmas lights on there. So they did, but you don't have to. It's just one of those things. If you want to, you can. Tools you can use. Now, I don't know what you have at home, so we're just going to kind of go with it. And maybe this will work. What's not moving down? It says hot melt glue, tape, scissors, utility knife. You can also use regular glue. It just takes a lot longer to set up. All right. Just remember when you use hot melt glue, it's hot. So if you put a big glob on something and you put the pieces together, remember, it's got to come out somewhere. So that's where I get a lot of students that will get burned. They'll push that down and glue will come out and burn them. Okay, so be very careful with that. Yeah, and that's about it. So now let's talk about how we can make this. Let's see what we talk about. All right. Cut holes in boxes. All right, here we go. Now cut holes in these boxes. I can use a pair of scissors. All right, nope. Be very careful. What I usually do is when I'm making my marble maze is I'll leave about a 1/2 inch all the way around this. You can mark it or you can just guess it and cut that out. That way I can work inside the box. Now you don't have to. You can reach down, but you're going to have to build from the bottom up. If you do it this way, open it up and place all your stuff inside. It's just a little easier if I can come over here and puncture a hole through and cut this just like that. Okay, here's my cut. Or if you have a utility knife or a fancy knife like this, which is a utility knife, put it in there. And remember, cut away from you. Okay. Something like this. All right, now save this because we can make our trails or gutters or whatever you want to call them with this. Make sure you have something laying down on a table if you're working on a table. I'd probably go out in the garage or outside. I'm going to show you here in a minute. All right. So how do I get my marble to go? I'm going to bend this. So it's kind of like a U shape. There'll be a flat edge. And if you remember what we did earlier when we did our skimmer, I could score this. And what scoring is, it's just cutting through that first layer and see how that bends so much easier. All right. And then I can put this in here and that's where my marble will travel. All right. Or I could put it on top like this here. Build something up here that will hold it. So I could glue it here. Put it, sorry. I just don't have enough of this today. So let's put you up here on the tripod. All right. So I could build something here, glue it down, glue it here, have an opening here so it can drop down and then have my trails in here. But what I'm going to let you guys do, okay, this is the first time I've ever done it, probably the only time. You can use as many boxes as you want, all right? I'd say don't go over 6, okay? But if you want to use 10, use 10. Now remember, in and out would be like it comes in one side, this side here, and then it trails this way and then it turns and comes out this back. Okay? So in one side, out the back side, or it could even come out this way. All right? That's up to you. I want to see your designs. So make sure that you build a nice, stable, oh, one thing I forgot to tell you, most important thing, you need a marble, okay? Those aren't hard to find. So get a marble, and then you can build your marble maze. Remember, we're seeing how long it takes. So 10 seconds could be great, 20 seconds. The longest we've ever had was about 9 seconds. So my challenge to you is someone to be over 30 seconds, which is a big thing to do. All right. So good luck. If you have any questions, write me. And then, yeah, we can get started on your marble maze. All right. Good luck. Stay healthy. And be safe.